Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Strava app. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will scrolling down until you find this window of Strava and you will click. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.